Welcome. In front of me is Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon, and in this video I will show you how to get your cursor back on the screen in case your touchpad stopped working. So first thing you have to do in this case is press Windows button to open the start menu. Then using tab you can choose between the icons you need to click on, and then using arrow keys in the bottom right corner of your keyboard you can scroll, and this way you have to go to settings and press enter to open it, and click tab once again and scroll down to Bluetooth and devices and click tab again a couple of times, and then scroll down to touchpad, press enter to open, and right now you have to press spacebar in order to switch toggle, and if your touchpad is disabled like this, then press the spacebar to enable it and then check if it works. Okay, so if it doesn't, then click Alt F4, then press escape or press Windows once again, and right now start searching for device manager, and right here press tab and start scrolling down to human interface devices. Now press spacebar, or press the right arrow to expand human interface devices and find HID compliant touchpad right here. And right now press tab a couple of times until you see this, and then scroll down to select driver, and then press tab once again and the third time, and try disabling your device by pressing enter. Select yes, scroll to the left and press enter, and right now try enabling your device again by pressing enter right here, and check if your touchpad is working. And if it's still not, then press tab once again and press enter, then press enter once again to confirm. This way you uninstall your touchpad, and right now what we have to do is press the just return to the desktop and press Alt F4 and select shutdown, select restart, excuse me, and press enter and wait until your device is restarted. And once your device is restarted, your touchpad should start working normally. But if it hasn't, that means that probably your device's touchpad is corrupted in some way, and you can either contact Lenovo customer support service or just head to the nearest repair center in order to repair it. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.